Antelope Valley. Let's get it. Let's roll. Alright, what's going on, folks? Welcome back to the channel. We're in Antelope Valley. Finally got to see the poppies. It's mid-April right now. It's going to be Crystal and I. She's on her BBS02. I'm on my BBS02 as well. Our DIY Bafang kit. We're going to explore the off-roading today around the poppy fields. A little bit sandy. It's all good. We're trying to stay away from the, traffic, so that way we're not getting in most people's shots. We're gonna do some off-roading, kind of exploring. We parked by where the electricity towers are, which is pretty much free, and it looks like there's a lot less rules. We were at the visitor center. It was $10 to park. Well, they didn't have any poppies blooming. I'll let you lead and explore. You could go ahead. Yeah, at the visitor center, they didn't have much to see. Unfortunately, we spent about 30 minutes there and basically just used the restroom. A little slippery in some parts. We saw a few cars go all the way here. Some off-roading cars. There's a boat out in the middle of nowhere. You see that? That is weird. I'll let you be the judge. Where do you want to go? Watch the car ahead of you. I think March would have been the sweet spot for this kind of adventure. We're kind of in the latter end of the season. It's actually late April, but it is what it is. We finally booked the time, and we're both available. Oh, gosh. Yeah, I recommend a full suspension bike. Some parts are choppier than it seems. We're basically looking for more flower beds away from the masses, pretty much. One thing to note is it's super windy in Antelope Valley. I think most of you guys know that, but in case you didn't, be prepared for some wind gusts. It's getting nicer here. Oh, here. I like this. Somewhat orange here. Alright, let's stop. Okay. She has Luna cycle battery, 52 volt, BBS02. I have a 52 volt UPP battery, also BBS02. Look at that picture. Minus the electrical towers. Oh, we did see a baby rattlesnake today. So rattlesnakes are prevalent here. Just FYI. We could have used our Super73 or our arielrider for sure. Pretty leisure 5 roads so far. Not really many hills unless you go to the other side where the visitor center is. Where do you want to go? Doesn't matter. We have a lot of time. Wherever you want to go. Something for the gram. Let's catch up. What a nice view, guys. Believe it or not, I really want to go to a cornfield maze and e-bike it. Comment below if you know any corn maze that would allow that. Again, it's late April. I really feel like we're late in the game, but the poppy blooms are migrating kind of eastwards, I think. Anytime you want to take a picture, just stop, okay? Another mental note is there's no restaurant nearby. like, there's nothing nearby within 10 miles. There's just one visitor center with like an outhouse bathroom. You can go for it. I'll take a picture right there. I think I could Photoshop most of these things. Alright, picture break. We're heading towards west. Trying to get away from these electric towers. See if it's possible. And at the same time, trying to get more orange poppy field. It's pretty windy, to say the least. I was considering going to Chino Hill State Park, but they don't really allow e-bikes there. And the Lake Elsinore area, they closed it off apparently. So this was about just under 2 hours away from us, but it was the only thing. Crystal, can we see that? Follow me. I want to see what that is. Like a deserted car. I can't really tell. We'll get closer and have a good look. But yeah, so I mean, if you're from LA, I think this is a great experience. If you have an e-bike and you want to just take it out on an adventure, definitely go here around March and or April. Crystal has always been wanting to see the poppy fields for like over 5 years now, she said. So we finally got to see it. There's just more boats or empty... I don't know what the hell this is, honestly. That's a boat shell. This is an upside down car. Yeah, it is a car. An upside down car. It's got the rim still. I'm surprised that's still here. Alright, let's head towards some hills instead of the away from the electric towers, you know? Seems like there's some off-roaders here too. Well, they're definitely out of state. Oh my gosh. I'm sliding out. Next time we'll bring the Super 73. Next time we'll bring the Super 73. You can't hear me? Next time we'll bring fatter tires. Like the Super 73. Or arielrider maybe. Area closed for plant rehab. So that area is closed.
Okay, so where are we going?
I think. What's in this bed of flowers here? We'll go on that hill. That's a short hill. I just want to see what's up there. Yeah? The closest hill. Let's roll. There's just a little bit of orange patches here and there. I don't know if it's my balance, but it's definitely off with the strong winds and then the sandy floor. Ready, set, go! BBS02 versus BBS02. I have to gear down to catch her. Oh man, my gear is not allowing me to gear down. Ah, dang it. I can't catch her. I think I built this for torque and hill, not really top speed. We'll go up this way and then we'll come down that wind. I think that should be fun, yeah? You see it? The zigzag? That looks like a roller coaster of a turn. It's like something you see in the cartoons over there. I think this is the line. Okay, we'll try this one first. Okay, be careful because it looks like it gets really angled over there. Alright, maybe some mountain biking fun here. I think I see some zigzag lines over there that we're trying to get. Let's see, let's get it. A little bit downhill. Uh-oh. I'm kind of worried for Crystal because it's slippery. Yeah, that's going to be a scouting stance position. That should be fun. All they're missing is jumps here. Whew. Very loopy. Uh-oh. What kind of road is this? This is fun. Whew. Yeah, when you're close, it's not that bad. Yeah, Crystal. It's like a snake. It's a 5-year-old snake that keeps going back and forth. I want to see you in action. Yeah. It's not that bad when you're on it, I think. Yes, sir. That was fun. Attack! Woo! That's fun. You want to do that again? It's like the only mountain bike feature here. Actually, it's just a crazy fire road. I think whoever built it was having fun. Like it looks like something you see in the cartoons. Oh, there's more here, Crystal. There's more snake action. Go for it. YOLO. Pretty easy. This would be hella fun in a car too. Let's roll. Very flowy. Look at that truck ahead of us is having fun. Try just throttling it. I want to see how you are with just throttling. As long as you're in the right gear. I think I've only seen one YouTube video that did something like this. And that's why I definitely wanted to bring our bikes and try it. If you ask me, we're the ones that are having the most fun here. Versus the cars. But that truck, I'm sure, is off-roading. Having a blast out here. Heck yeah, whoever made this fire road is so fun. Like if you think about it, what are they thinking? But it's really fun. It's like a racetrack. Alright, go for it. Have some more fun. Send it. Such an unnecessary fire road. Look at the shape of these things, guys. But I guess it's something to do here for sure. I'm really glad we went here. It's almost endless. Endless snake loops. I'm definitely gonna make an e-bike adventure meetup ride for this next year. I think people would have fun for sure. The only thing is missing is some jumps. I'm gonna bring a shovel next time and build some jumps. Let's keep riding it. Heck yeah, we found a diamond here for sure. This time the adventure paid off. You get a 2-for-1 or a 3-for-1. You get to e-bike. We get to take pictures of what Crystal really loves, which is the poppy blooms. And we get a nice flow out of it. Nice flow trail. You're doing great. Uh-oh. Nice job. Definitely want her to have more experience doing this thing. She's doing superb. All right. So fun. I'm pretty sure people would pay for like an experience like this too. If I rented out the e-bikes and stuff like that. Like tourists will definitely pay for something like this. I mean, I know I would. I used to pay to go to ATV adventures. Those things were expensive. And all right, last loop probably. Let's get it. So this thing just keeps looping you. Whew. It's like an infinity loop, unless you decide to tap out. It's starting to get chilly though. Earlier the wind was just the wind. Now there's like a chill factor. You know how to get out of the loop? Feels like we've been stuck here. Okay, lead us back. You're lost? You want me to lead? Did you have fun? Alright, you did perfect. Let's head back. Alrighty folks, that's going to be in today's e-bike adventure. You would only need maybe 10, 12 miles to have fun. Nothing too strainful on your battery. It's pretty beginner if you ask me. Pretty leisure, pretty fun. Very flowy fire roads if anything. I recommend fatter the tires the better. Definitely do this around March and April to see the poppies. It's been a blast. Thank you for tuning in. Like and subscribe for more content. Check out the useful links in the description below for additional discounts on the Ariel Rider Super73 or DIY Bafang kit. This is E-Bike Adventure signing out.